In the last video about this topic, some of our users commented I can't press the button. Let's see how to fix. So I just open YouTube app and profile and view channel, and I just click the pencil and I just click this. Okay, I just change the name to 2025 like that. If you can't press the save button or can't see the save button, you just swipe down here and came to this option. Just turn off that auto rotate and hold your iPad like this. Now click save. So it's changed, you can see. So this will definitely work. Same thing for YT Studio. If you use the YT Studio, just click this and pencil and change the name, and that's it. So you need to hold your iPad like this. So this is the trick. This will definitely work. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube on iPad, you need to watch this playlist.